best options for small business vehicles in dense urban areas happens to be a bike. Specifically, the Tern HSD P9 electric bike. This electric bike comes in one size that fits most people. It comes equipped with fenders, lights, a rear lock, and a cargo-carrying rear rack that can hold 132 pounds. Equipped with the Bosch ActiveLine Plus, this bike has the most reliable electric bike system on the market. Tern makes a wide range of accessories to help you with whatever you need to carry and is easily transported in elevators and trains. It even stands vertically for out-of-the-way storage in your workplace. With a max gross vehicle capacity of 374 pounds, you can easily carry all the job supplies and roll right up to the door. Starting at $3,200, you can imagine the money you will save from parking, insurance, car premiums, the time it takes your staff to find parking. An electric bike also provides better transportation equity for people that may not feel comfortable driving, have a license, or want to be sweaty from riding a normal bike in their work clothes. You can learn more about replacing your business vehicle fleets with bikes at bikesforbusiness.org.